Hi there, I would like to demonstrate another update. So for now user can sign up if I click here, and now we have an option for users to sign up. Okay, so if you just create this and let's say a username, and when user clicks on this you see all of these plans, they are coming from the server or database. They are not hard coded. So if I click on this plan, you can definitely see that this all of the information of this particular plan is available for the users also on the sign up page. Okay, so he can definitely excuse me, as per the our discussion, so users will have to provide an application form. So first I think he will need to able to download this application form. So if he clicks this and he gets this application that's coming from the database, okay, or server, the application file the admin provides. So once he fills up the application form and excuse me, um, once he is done with this application form and he uploads this particular application from this button, he needs to upload this application form, otherwise the admin cannot see which particular application or insurance plan he has chosen. So he definitely has to upload a PDF file at least, otherwise it will say it's not the PDF file. So if I upload a PDF file, I mean at least to check the validity of this uploading. So once user is done with all this information and providing some basic information on the sign up page, he can proceed to sign up. And this is the dashboard he lands after the sign up. Okay, so here is the all the information he had, and he also has this little warning or attention that he needs to set up a particular his first payment. So so admin can approve his application. Okay, so you see application status is pending because admin has not approved it yet. So and he did not have provide any kind of payment, and last month payment is also not done. Okay, so now what he can do before going to this payment that we need to discuss, he can now definitely change all the information you know pertinent to this account. So if he gets there, and he definitely can change all this information and provide any contact number, change the password. Also user can upload a particular profile picture at least. Okay, so once he uploads this picture, the profile picture is updated, and he can also update the address. Once he is done all the additional information he wants for the site to record, he can proceed to this update button, and he will see this profile updated with all this information. And once he goes to his full account, he can see all this information. So but also on this payment system, how he proceeds with the first payment and the payment system we need to discuss. But I have made up this. I think the user definitely needs to see all the payment history he has done with this particular plan. So I have provided this page, so he can definitely see all his pending. If he has any pending payment, also all of his completed payment. So also he can choose any date, start from any particular date and end from to a date. So this will definitely work once we discuss with the payment system well. But now this is just a design, so to let you see how it will work in future. So this is the customer, the customer's account who will purchase all the plans. So, but for the distributors and the agents and the admins, I have done some work. So let's go there and see what they can do now. Okay, so if I log out, and we have different sort of users, agents, customers, agents, stores and distributors. So for the stores who will directly manage all of his customers who comes through his reference, we need to see what he can do. Okay, so I'm logging in, and now I'm trying to logging in to a particular store account. Okay, so if I log in with this username and password, so I have now landed on a particular stores account. So he can definitely see that he is store and all of his available credit and last week earning and last login and all of his information. And the same way the user can change all of his information, the customer can change all of his information, he can also change and now he can, I think the store will be able to sign up any particular customer under him. Okay, so to receive any particular commission, so to make this happen, he definitely has to go through this process to this menu. Now the same form will be available for him, so he can register in particular customer under him, so the system can track that this particular customer has registered under him. So okay, so let's just do one, so we can see how it works. So the same way he also needs to select a particular plan for this user, for this customer. So once he is done with his all this application form process, he definitely signs up him, and his particular customer is now listed in this section under this your customer section. So you can see that this is his customer, and I think he needs to for this store he needs to provide all the login information, the username and password directly to his customer. So so he will do so, and once the customer logs into his own account, I think he will definitely change his information, his login credentials later on. The system will not share these stuffs with him. Okay, so also this is the he can also see the all this insurance plan, and you can see that all of his commission, in particular plans commission is available now in this description. He can see this is coming from database, not static data. All these plans are also coming from the server. So you can also see all these application PDF files associated with all this application, all these plans. So this is the thing I have done so far. So I'll definitely discuss with you on the payment and proceed. Okay, so thanks for watching this. Talk to you soon.